Hi, my name is Andres, project manager at Chapter Miami. Welcome to our most recent renovation in Coral Gables, where we did an extension in the back part of the house, including a pool and full interior gut. Here in the main entrance, there used to be an open porch, which we enclosed, adding more square footage to the interior of the house. As we come in, we were able to enclose this porch to gain some square footage. We also did a full mechanical HVAC ducts. This door in the living room used to be a small door, and we were able to open up the space to allow more natural light coming in and also an exit directly to the pool area. Walking this way, we were able to create an open kitchen concept. We use a quartz countertops, a combination of white, gold. So here, the client really wanted an open concept and create as much open areas in the house. So we were able to completely open this area, getting more square footage. This was the addition part. We were able to accomplish another 400 square foot addition, which gave us the opportunity to create a true master suite. Coming this way, we have the master bathroom with his and hers, freestanding bathtub and shower area. And coming to the end of the master, we have the master closet, walk-in master closet. In this area, we started by incrementing the square footage of the house, adding this master bedroom. Additionally, we built a pool with an integrated waterfall feature. We use a black diamond plaster just to enhance the color of the pool. As we walk this way, we added an outdoor kitchen with an integrated fridge for drinks and also an area of deck for dining and entertainment.